So jumping right into this tutorial, you guys, I'm taking the Hank & Henry Alter Ego Eye Kit in the kit Baby Girl. I'm taking the matte shade from that and just applying that into the crease and blending it upwards. Now we're going to take the metallic shade from that kit and I'm placing that towards the front and the back of the lid. And then we're taking the loose pearls and applying that to the center of the lid. Now I'm going in with Menta Rosa liquid lipstick by Hank & Henry, and I'm just going to apply this into my waterline. And then we're going to do the same shadow routine on the lower lash line area. And now we're going in with the Kamara Onique lashes, and I forgot what style these lashes are, but I received them in the October BoxyCharm box. Going back in with that same liquid lipstick, Menta Rosa, and I'm just applying that to the lips. And then I'm going to apply the Kingdom Lip Luster Gloss by Hank & Henry right on top. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Nice little soft glam for the holidays. Remember to live life in color. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.